Utthita hasta padangustasana-Extended hand to toe pose, variation with chair and wall. You stand with your back to the wall, the chair in front of you, facing the wall. Tadasana at the wall. Use the wall to bring the shoulders back. You can press your hands into the wall. And then when you are ready, you can shift your weight to the left leg. Don't lean to the left. Shift your weight to the left. Lift the right heel off the floor and then put the right foot on the chair. Press your hands to the wall to bring the shoulders to the wall. And stand, still standing over your left leg. Don't lean your hip to the left. When you're ready, you can put your right foot back on the floor and change sides. First, standing Tadasana. Shift your weight to the right. Stand on the right leg. Resist the outer right hip in. And then put your left foot on the chair. Come back to standing. Come back to Tadasana. The wall really helps you know where your back is. Helps with the balance too. Change sides again. This time you can either repeat the previous variation, like put your foot on the chair, or you can shift your weight to the left leg and put your right heel on the backrest of the chair. It's okay to put the padding under the heel if this is what you need to do. Try to bring your foot so that it's perpendicular to the floor. Widen the balls of the foot, both feet, and release the outer thighs out. The thigh bone release back and out. Come back to Tadasana. Shift your weight to the right leg. Put your left heel on the backrest of the chair. Widen the balls of the feet, extend through the inner heels, and bring the thigh bones on both legs back towards the hamstring and out to the side. Especially on the lifted leg. Try to bring the left hip down towards the floor. Then come down, Tadasana. And now we are going to do the side variation. So you're going to put the chair to your right side, near the wall. And you can lean on the wall, bring your heels close to the wall, and then just shift your weight to the left leg and put your right foot on your chair. It's turned, the right foot is turned out to the side. Take the right thigh bone towards the wall and release the inner thighs. Hands to the wall, shoulder to the wall. for the side variation. And when you're ready, you can change sides. You can bring your chair to your left side and repeat that variation. Shift your weight to the right and put your left foot on the chair. Foot turned out to the side, the knees above the ankle, the knees not turned in. There's a lot of external rotation in this leg. And you can press your hands into the wall in order to bring your shoulders to the wall. Face your face forward. Bring yourself back to Tadasana and then put the chair again on your right side. Standing Tadasana, you can bring your foot now to the backrest of the chair. For me, the chair was too close to the wall, so I brought it a little bit further out so that I have. You can also extend the heel on the seat of the chair, but if you can, bring your heel to the backrest of the chair. It's again, the knee faces the ceiling. There's a lot of external rotation in this leg, but the thigh bone releases back towards the hamstring and outside to the outside of your thigh muscles. Now you're going to change sides. Start with Tadasana. You can start by putting your foot on the chair like in the previous variation, and then decide if you want to go on and put your left heel on the backrest of the chair. Yeah, that wasn't easy for me. I had to adjust, and you have to release the outside of the left thigh towards the floor, so there's a lot of external rotation in the left leg. Press your hands into the wall and bring your shoulders to the wall, and then Tadasana.